Hi, my name's Evan, and in this video I'm going to go over some of the software that's available to download on the ProColor panel through the new Mimeo Market application. In this video I'd like to focus on Microsoft Teams. If you're using Teams for remote learning, this is a great option to incorporate your panel into that process. When you open it, it will give you this message that it won't run without Google Play services, but I've found in my testing that actually it does work fine. So you can just clear that message and we'll go in and work with one of our classes here. So I have in my account a few different classrooms. I'll open up this general channel here and I'll go ahead and start a meeting. So the start a meeting button up there, there actually is no built-in microphone on the ProColor panel. So if you want to use audio and video with your meeting, you're probably going to need a separate laptop to handle the audio and video. One of the things that I do in this case is to use the laptop sort of as a hub, and then I can join the meeting from my panel here as just a participant. And then everyone who's in the classroom with me can also see what's going on in the meeting on this large screen, and then remote students can also see on their personal devices the information that you're presenting from the laptop. So that's an option as well. So let's just join the meeting here. All right, it looks like a couple students have joined the meeting now. I actually have one of the accounts pulled up on that laptop there so you can see from the student's perspective what it would look like when a teacher is working on the panel here. So you'll see I have some of the same controls available in the Teams meetings that you may be used to. I can adjust my volume here, and importantly, I can share my screen. So if you select the share option, and then share screen, it'll give you this notice that it's going to start capturing the screen. You can go ahead and start that. And now you can see the screen over there on the student's laptop has changed. They're seeing a different view. And I can actually go home and interact with some of the other programs on this display. So for example, I can use the Note application. If I load that up, now you'll see that the student's view on the laptop there, the Note application has opened for them as well. And if I edit my Note, it appears right on the screen there for them. So you can use multiple applications on the panel here through Teams with remote students, such as Chrome or this Note application Finder, anything you've downloaded from Mimeo Market. And then when it's time to go in and stop sharing, I'll show you how to do that as well. You can just go to your app switcher here, back to Teams, and now it always asks me to rejoin the meeting, so let's just join again, and then you'll notice stop presenting. Once you do that, it'll go back to the regular view. If any of your students have their cameras on, you'll be able to see them as well through here. So you can definitely use this panel here as an interactive part of a hybrid learning situation where maybe you have students in the class who want to see things on the large screen in the front of the room, but you also have students at home that need to use something like Teams to connect remotely. So that's an option now directly through the Android side of the panel with these downloadable Microsoft Office applications.